full screen backgrounds have become very popular in the design world. We can also use video backgrounds instead of fixed images when preparing a website. In this tutorial, how to make a full screen video background using only HTML and CSS. In order to make a full background, we first need to write basic HTML codes. Let's write it now. Let's set a title and see our page. As you can see, we wrote the title of the page. First of all, I write a hero between the body tags. I add a video under this div whose ID is hero. I give the path to the video by adding a source inside the two video tags. We need to determine what this source is with type. We indicate that it is a video, that it is an MT4 file. When I save it, as you can see, the video is in the background, but the video is not playing. In order for the video to play, we need to make some additions as a parameter of the video tag. If we want the video to play automatically as soon as it is loaded, we add autoplay. If we want the video to start again when it comes to the end, we add loop. If the video is a video with music or sound and this will not be welcomed by users, we add the word muted to make it quiet. Now let's save it again and see. It didn't work because I wrote autoplay wrong. Let's write it as autoplay. As you can see, when I open it, the video starts working as soon as the page loads. Switching to style.css, I remove the spaces on the top of edges of the page. We need to give the margin and padding values on the body as 0. On this page, this change will not be reflected on the page because we didn't let index.html see this style.css. I provide it immediately. To provide this, we add link CSS as style.css. When I save this, as you can see, there is no longer any space on the edges. Now the video is not 100%. We need to make some arrangements to make the video 100%. After giving height and width values, we need to give background position and Z index so that we can write on the video. We make it full screen with object fit. As you can see, when I saved this, it was set to be 100%. When I make this browser full screen, as you can see, we set it to be full screen. Now let's continue. We create content under hero under index.html. Let's create a container under content and inside the container, write the text that will appear on the video. When we write it and save it, when we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we see that it is here. In a moment, we are going to make sure that it is centered over this video. Before we do that, let's make sure that we give the content class under hero. Here we have given it to the next one. So we are moving that field into the div with the ID hero. Exactly like this. This is the part about index.html. The next process will continue through style.css. In style.css, we first assigned a background to the content. I'm adding the height and width values here. I'm making the Z indexed value 20 because I want this text to be above the video. Position absolute. This is actually the important part. With position absolute, the hero content class here will override the ID of the previous div, which is relative. However, we need to add top and left values. It will move above the video. I add the top and left values as 0 and save. As you can see, the text is now on the video and we made the background transparent to make the text look better. So we gave it a black color. If you look at the background line, a black color has been added here with zeros. With a value of 0.5, it appears with 50% opacity. I center the text here with text align center. I will also use the flex property of CSS to center it vertically. With these properties, I will also center it vertically. After that, we can focus on the text itself. Let's assign white color to hero content header 1 for this post. Let's change the font of the post in this way. If we want to add an extra sentence below this, I go back to index.html and add a sentence here. I've written a full screen background, so we need to assign a separate CSS to that as well. This time, we will style the p tag under the div that has the class of content and it will look like this. Now, when I make this video full screen, as you can see, I play a video with 100% in the background without any problems on full screen and we have written your text on a 50% transparent black background. In this way, the background will be seen flexibly wherever you enter. This is how to add video to the background using only HTML and CSS. If today's video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you for watching.